right? So this is the key line. We'll learn more about this, what it means in this lesson, this if word, okay? And remember, going back to our magic trick, those diamonds that we said were making different choices that led down to different outcomes, okay? Those things there, that's where the if statements are being used. And so that's why you have if secret is there, all right? You might notice that those lines of code underneath the if statement that are slightly pushed in, can you see how they're slightly pushed in a little bit? That part only happens if the user gets the password correct. This part down here, what did you notice about that part down there? Did it only work when it was correct? No, it worked when it was correct and when it was incorrect, all right? What's different about those lines of code?
That's the default.
That's the default. Excellent, Ariane. What about the format in that code do you think makes them a default? Well, what looks different about that compared to the lines of code that only run if they're correct?
It's not indented.
Yeah, it's not indented. It's not pushed in, isn't it? So anything that's not pushed in will always run after the if statement, but anything that's pushed in will only run if the if statement or the condition is true, okay? Remember, the diamond only can be true or false, okay? So if it's true, then you do this, otherwise you'll go on and do this.